In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Calendly with Zoom effectively. This guide will walk you through the simple steps to integrate these two powerful tools so you can schedule meetings seamlessly. So let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and visit calendly.com. On the homepage, you'll see the option to log in. Click that and enter your email address. After entering your email, you'll need to hit continue. Following this, type in your password and click continue once more. This will take you to your Calendly dashboard. Once you're in Calendly, head over to the top menu and click on Integrations and Apps. This is where you can connect Calendly with other applications, including Zoom. Now look for Zoom in the list of available apps and click on it. You'll be presented with two options. To connect Zoom for your organization or just for yourself, choose the one that suits your needs. To proceed with the integration, you should have a Zoom account handy. If you don't have an account, pause this tutorial and sign up for Zoom. Assuming you have your Zoom credentials ready, go ahead and sign in with your Zoom email address and password. Once you're logged in, click on Sign to complete the integration process. You'll receive a confirmation if everything's been set up correctly. After that's sorted, navigate back to the Calendly homepage. Here, you can select a specific workflow or event you'd like to use with the Zoom integration. Hover your mouse over the workflow or event and click on the settings icon that appears. Within the settings menu, find and click Edit. In the event settings, you'll see a tab labeled Location. This tab is crucial as it determines where your scheduled meetings will be hosted. Click on it and scroll through the options. You should see Zoom listed among the various meeting location options. Select Zoom, and this will link your event to automatically generate Zoom meeting details whenever someone schedules a meeting with you. At this point, you've successfully integrated Calendly with Zoom, allowing you to streamline your scheduling process and host all your meetings on Zoom. This integration ensures that each time someone books an appointment, Zoom meeting details are automatically created and included in the calendar invite, so you don't have to worry about it manually. Congratulations, you've reached the end of the tutorial on how to connect Calendly with Zoom. Remember, this integration can save you a lot of time and hassle, helping